One more sorting algorithm, which is selection sort. So in this selection sort algorithm, you just have to find the smallest element in the array, and you just have to fix its to original position. Okay, means swap it with the first index. So let's run this. Write the code for int n equals to array dot size, which will store the size of an array. And then you have to create for int I equals to 0, I less than n, then I plus plus. You have to first derive smaller index through which you swap it. It will initially at ith position, and then again you have to create int j equals to I plus 1 comma j less than n and j plus plus. You have to check if array of j is less than array of small index. Then you just have to rewrite the value of small idx equals to j, and after this loop you just have to swap the value of array of I comma array of small idx. Okay, let's run this code whether it is running properly or not. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.